Alright, good afternoon, Jill.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing today?
Great.
Awesome. I noticed you have a harness on, no parachute. All it says is danger in about maybe 3 different languages. What's up with that?
This is going to be the best day of my life.
Really?
Yep.
What are we doing today?
We go for a tandem jump with the Golden Knights.
Tandem jump with the Golden Knights. Now, was this your idea or someone else got you into it?
They've twisted my arm.
They did?
Yep.
Oh, really?
No, this is my second, so I'm really excited.
That is great. Well, thanks a lot for jumping with the Golden Knights. And now, is there anything you want to say, friends and family?
Hope to see you on the ground soon.
All right, that's yeah, you'll be fine. Don't worry about it. All right, Jill. Next time you'll see me, we'll be heading to the plane.
Thanks so much, John.
All right.
All right, Jill, come on with me.
About halfway there. How do you feel so far?
A little nervous, but excited.
There's nothing to be nervous about. You have Rich Sloan, one of the best tandem instructors in the Golden Knights.
Hey, thanks, John. Jill, it's been an honor taking you out today at 14,000 feet, 120 miles an hour. The air rushing up at you. Land right there in front of your husband today as we're all on the ground. It's going to be a beautiful day. Thanks for jumping with us.
Sweet.
Sounds great.
Amazing.
Now, anything you want to say, friends and family, before we exit the aircraft?
It's been real.
All right, well, you have a good jump, Jill.
Thanks, John.
See you later. Nice job. Congratulations, Jill.
Oh my gosh. Oh, thank you, everyone.
Jill,
Woo.
how was that?
It was amazing.
I could ask, what
Sweet.
was your favorite part, free fall or the canopy ride?
Oh, I don't know.
Hard to tell, isn't it?
Awesome. Yeah.
Thanks so much for jumping with us at U.S. Army Golden Knights. It was truly an honor taking you in the air.
Thank you, John. Thank you, Rich.
No
Thank
problem,
you,
sir.
everybody.
Thank you.
Yep.
That's great. Army strong, right?
Army strong.
Army strong.